Who's ready to clean for a week? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my current weekly cleaning routine. I have been wanting to do this video for so long, but I just haven't had time to really do it. But my girls have been in camp this week, so I had a little free time. So I wanted to kind of show you guys how I stay motivated and organized throughout the week. So I have found that if you break it up into like 5 days, it's not as overwhelming. Like, I love my power hour and I love to see what I can get done in 30 minutes, but I feel like that's just like surface stuff. This clean by no means is a deep clean, but I feel like I'm getting a little deeper than just a 30-minute speed clean. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And let's get into it.
Alright, so today is Monday, and this is when I like to clean the toilets, sinks, mirrors, counters, showers, bathtubs. I like to wash the bath rugs and replace all the towels and wash them, and then sweep and mop the floors. So as you can see, this is our master bathroom, and it's still kind of under construction. If you can see in the mirror, we've got my husband's doing tile in the shower. That's going to be our shower, and yeah, like at least my vanity's pretty much put together, so I still like to clean that and tidy that up. And then the toilet is actually to the left in its own little room, and I did go ahead and clean that as well. I just didn't do it on camera. So yeah, Mondays I just concentrate on the bathrooms and do more of a deep clean than I would do if I was just doing a quick little clean through the bathrooms. And then for the sinks, I bought this stuff from Norwex that's called a Speary Sponge, and I'm using this cleaning paste. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out, but this paste has so many uses. I found that it's awesome in the sinks. I use it in my stainless sink in the kitchen. I use it in the tub. It's just got so many different uses for it. You'll see me use it like 8 times throughout this week. And now for the toilets, I use the Norwex bathroom cleaner. And that cleaner and the paste are really the only things I use to clean my house now. I ordered Norwex a couple months ago, and I've really been enjoying the not using really any chemicals. I've been doing kind of a series on using those products, and I'm not a consultant or anything. I've just really been enjoying using everything. I feel like they've cut down on the time that I clean because it's so quick and easy, and I'm not using any harsh chemicals, so I feel like I'm keeping my family safe. So yeah, I will link all that down below for you guys to check out, but I'm really enjoying those products. Alright guys, it is Tuesday and now I'm moving on to the living room. This is when I straighten up the shelves, the cabinets. I like to vacuum, wash the windows and blinds, and organize the toys and declutter. I haven't really talked about it yet, but we actually made a playroom upstairs. It was my husband's office and he never really used it, so I was like, let's make this a playroom. It's been awesome. That's where the girls watch TV now. And I'm just able to take all their toys up there and get them out of the living room. So I feel like my husband and I have finally gotten our space back. So there's still toys down here, but not craziness like it was before. So when I get that all like fixed up and decorated how I want, I'll definitely do a reveal video for that because it is going to look really cute up there. Also, I'm using my Norwex dusting mitt to dust, and I feel like it goes so much faster because you just wear the little mitt and you can just kind of pick stuff up and dust. And I actually have two of them, and people have said to wear them both, and I have yet to try that, but I bet that would work out really well too. And I've noticed that just from dusting with this mitt, it doesn't get dusty as quick as it used to. And living out here in the desert, it gets dusty. But I have noticed that with this mitt, it stays cleaner a little bit longer. So that's been nice. Alright guys, we are on Wednesday. This is kitchen day, and today I'm going to be cleaning the cooktop, cleaning the counters, the sink, the inside of the microwave, and then of course sweeping and mopping the floors. And I do a lot of this in the kitchen, probably daily, but I just wanted to have a dedicated day for the kitchen that I can go through and really do more of a deep clean. I don't have it on my list, but I do go through with my towel and just wipe down any fingerprints on the cabinets. We do have white cabinets now, so they get a little dirtier. And yeah, I just go through and wipe all those. And I didn't have it on here as well, but I do go through and wash all the stainless steel. And I just use my EnviroCloth. It's like an e-cloth, I think, like a microfiber, and that works really well. So in this sink, I'm using that cleaning paste again, and it is so cool. Like, you just need a little bit on your sponge and it cleans the entire sink, and I just think it looks so good. And now for the cooktop, I'm actually going to go ahead and use the cleaning paste again, and that same sponge. And it was so funny, like the first time I did this in front of my husband, and he's standing there freaking out. He's like, "Are you scratching our new cooktop?" And I was like, nope. Like, this thing, oh my gosh, it looks brand new using that stuff. So that stuff works awesome. And now I'm cleaning the microwave. Our light bulb burned out, so it's kind of hard to see. And for some reason, it would not focus. I don't know why it was doing that. But yeah, so I just cleaned out the microwave with my cloth. And now we are on Thursday. This is bedroom day. This is when I like to dust and vacuum, change the bed sheets, organize, and declutter. So to be honest, Thursday is probably my least favorite day. I dislike doing laundry and all the sheets. I don't mind taking them off and washing them, but I really don't like putting them back on. So this day my mom actually came over later and she helped me put the sheets back on all the beds. So that was really helpful. But I don't know why, this is just my least favorite, but it has to be done, right? So I'm starting here in the master, and then I'm gonna head up to the girls' rooms. So what I'm doing here is just taking my dusting mitt and dusting everything off first, and then I'm going to go back in with my cloth. It's a wet cloth, and I'm going to go through and wipe down the mirror and then the TV. That mirror gets kind of dirty just with, like, I don't know, fingerprints and whatnot. So I find if you dust first and then wipe with the wet cloth, it works the best. Does anyone else have a heck of a time putting the fitted sheet on? I mean, we tried this like 3 different times on each bed, and it's harder with one person, but I don't know. We were having a heck of a time. We were kind of laughing about it. But leave a comment down below if you have issues with the fitted sheet as well. I can't be the only one. hi, it is Friday. Fridays I like to concentrate on the walls and the stairs. So I'm going to be dusting and vacuuming all the stairs. I'm going to wipe off the washer and dryer. This is when I like to remember to water our plant. I try to do that more often, but I have it on a designated day so I can't forget. And this is kind of when I'll just go through and I'll kind of take my wet cloth and see if there's fingerprints or anything on the walls, and just concentrate on walls and stairs and the hallway areas, I would say.
And there you have it, you guys. That is my current weekly cleaning routine. I hope this helped you guys out. The cleaning list that I went off of, I found off of Pinterest. I will try to find that same one and link it down below, but I highly suggest just to go on Pinterest and search for weekly cleaning list or daily, whatever you want, and find one that is like suitable for your lifestyle. So this one you can go on, and at the bottom she's got a spot for, you can add some of your own stuff on there. So I thought that that was really cool. She had a daily, a weekly, and a monthly. So, all right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.